guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a teeny weeny curly afro starring Aunt Jackies Frizz Rebel coconut and sweet almond oil. Guys, this stuff is amazing. So I'm gonna pour a nice amount in my hand and we're gonna get that all good. We're gonna rub our hands together and then we're gonna massage that in our hair, guys. So my hair is not wet, it is dry. It is already washed and conditioned and air dried, and we're just gonna make sure all that oil is nice and massaged into my hair. I'm gonna do that for a little while. This oil is filled with vitamin E, B, and D, you guys, which means it's really good for your hair. Now you can put this in your hair wet or damp. I did mine's dry because I'm doing a semi-curly afro. I'm not really going in with defined curls today, so I wanted it to be dry, and then I put the oil in, and then I'm gonna later dampen my hair just a little bit to give my curls just a little definition. Guys, you can't go wrong with an oil that not only helps with frizz control, but it smoothens your hair and strengthens it. It helps with scalp maintenance, it helps hair growth, and it keeps the moisture and the shine in your hair, guys. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. Like, that's why I'm using this oil for this specific hairstyle, because I want my afro to look slightly defined with curls, but I don't want it to be dried out and frizzy. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just taking my brush and I'm just brushing through, shaping the afro. I want it to sit up. I don't want it to be flat. I want it to have a nice shape to it, and I want the curls to just look slightly defined so you can see little curls in it, but I'm not gonna fully curl my hair because I want it to be like a small afro. Now going in with a medium tooth comb, I'm just going to slightly twist my hair a little bit just to define some curls in the front and on the side so they don't look too puffy, so I could get a nice teeny weeny curly afro. This is what we're going for today, guys. Zooming in for you guys, you can see that the afro is sitting nice. It's shaped nice. You can see curls there, but they're not all the way defined. I'm not doing straight curls today. It's a teeny weeny curly afro for you guys, and there you go. That's it. Using Aunt Jackies Frizz Rebel coconut and sweet almond oil, and look at that. There's barely any frizz there, you guys. Like, I'm loving it. So I hope you guys love it too, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you later.